In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add created contributors fundamentals in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find this powerful data, how to add it to your chart, and how to start using it in your analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for the stock, crypto, or asset you want to analyze. We're going to start right from the main chart window. Look toward the top of your chart, where you usually add indicators. You should see a button or tab labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where TradingView keeps all the tools you can layer onto your chart. Inside this window, you'll notice different categories along the side or across the top. What we want is the section called Fundamentals. Click on Fundamentals to switch from technical indicators over to the fundamental data that TradingView provides. This is where you'll typically find things like earnings, revenue, and other company-related metrics, but we're going a bit deeper here. Once you're in the fundamental section, look for a subcategory labeled Social. Click on Social. This area focuses on metrics that reflect the social and community side of a project or company, rather than just the raw financials. It's especially useful for assets where community engagement and creator activity really matter. Within the social category, you'll see an option called Created Contributors. Go ahead and click on Created Contributors. As soon as you select it, TradingView will add this fundamental metric to your current chart. You should now see a new line or panel appear depending on how your chart is set up. This represents the created contributors data over time. You can hover over different points to see the exact value at a specific date, and you can compare how changes in contributors line up with price movements on the main chart. If needed, you can adjust the style, color, or position of this fundamental series by opening its settings, just like you would with any other indicator. That's all there is to adding created contributors fundamentals in TradingView Pro. If you want to start using TradingView Pro and follow along just like this, use the link in my description to sign up, and you'll have access to these same tools on your own charts.